Are you dreaming of a simpler life on the road? Building a tiny house on wheels using a Lightwood tiny house concept might be your perfect solution. Here are some essential tips to help you get started. The first, choose a lightweight yet strong trailer as your foundation. Since mobility is key, make sure the trailer is rated to carry the full weight of your tiny house and meets road safety standards in your area. And the next, focus on using light wood materials such as pine, cedar, or engineered wood products. And then, this not only reduce the overall weight but also provide excellent insulation and a warm, natural aesthetic. When designing your layout, prioritize multifunctional furniture and vertical space. Built-in storage, foldable tables, and loft beds are great ways to maximize every inch without adding unnecessary weight. And then pay attention to insulation and the ventilation. A well-insulation tiny home with good airflow will keep you comfortable throughout all seasons, whether you are parked in the mountains or by the coast. Also, consider off-grid capabilities. Solar panels, composting toilets, and rainwater collection system will give you the freedom to live sustainably, no matter where you will take you. Finally, keep everything as simple and efficient as possible. The Lightwood tiny house concept is all about lightweighting, living, mobility, and minimalism, helping you live better with less.